Alright, let's be honest here. Math can sometimes feel very overwhelming, right? But I think I can change your perspective about mathematics. Let me tell you a story. Let's meet April. April is a student who is not very fond of the subject mathematics. But in this story, she encounters something very strange. I wonder what could it be.
Shit, mas mataas pa yung sukli ko sa jeep kaysa sa score ko na to. Hindi na naman ako kay mama ni... Ay, ano ba tong score ko na to? Baba! April, wait! Alam ko naman na nahihirapan ka sa math, mahina ka sa math. But before you go, I just want to give you this. Ano to, ma'am? Ano libro to? Galing pa ata tong Jurassic Era. Alam mo ba, that might help you see math differently. Just give it a try. Okay na? Okay. Ano ba to? Ano ba to pinag-ibigilis? Ano? Ni ma, paulit-ulit na lang. Math na naman. This is just a number. That's all it is. Asan ako? Anong lugar to? Dito yung school ko ah. You seem lost. Di ba nananaginip lang ako? Ba't dito ko ngayon? Actually, let's sit for a minute na. Anong sit? Ano nangyayari? Teka, ano ba yan? Ba't dala mo yan?
Oh, this is how we count. This is how we write numbers. I'll show you. This is how we use in Egypt. This is what you call a hieroglyph.
Ano daw?
But different kami sa Roman ha. Sa Roman kasi, Roman numerals siya sa kanila. Like this.
Ano
That's
yan?
how you write 14.
14? Eh mukhang parang stick lang pinasulat na dyan eh.
Eh kasi long before, wala pa kaming katulad sa inyo. We have to do this para mabilang namin yung animals, yung economy namin, and yung good grading na system namin nakatayo because of this.
Oh, di ba? Same na yung sa mga Babylonians ba yun?
No! Iba-iba ang gamit ng mga iba-ibang civilizations. Yung sa Babylonians naman, iba yung sa kanila. They use 60-day systems. Actually, if I'm not mistaken, ganito pa rin sila sa future. Yung 60 seconds equals 1 minute.
Oh, yun pa yung...
That came from the Babylonians. And sa Roman naman kasi, I would say tricky yung Roman numerals. But, I think not long after this time, gagawa naman yung Hindu and Arabic ng yung numerals na ginagamit nyo until now.
Ano ba yung 1, 2, 3?
Yes, that one.
Oh, yun yung baba. Alam ko ang sabi sa akin ng baby, yun yung nagbabago ng sistema natin ngayon sa present.
Yes, that's why I told you. Math isn't just about writing numbers. It's also how we measure and shape the world.
Oo, ano mo ba? Sa present, meron na kayong mga cellphone, technology, or basta mapadali na yung buhay namin.
Wow, that sounds like magic. Oh, I think it's time for you to go back now. Take this knowledge with you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you sa mga tinuro mo sa akin.
Welcome. Bye.
Bye! Asan na naman ako? Oh, nakabalik na ako! School. Thank you naman kasi nakakatakot naman yung puting babae na yun eh. Oh, ma'am, ba't ka na dito? Gabi na.
So, Mrs. Caramoso, did you learn anything from this?
Huh? ko siya.
Pero, ma'am, actually, I think math is cool.
That's great, sweetie.
Bye, ma'am.
And that, my friends, is why numbers is one of humanity's greatest inventions. They allow us to understand, organize, and solve problems that shape our world, whether it's in technology, science, arts, or even our daily lives. So let's remember, without numbers, we wouldn't be able to understand, calculate, or make sense of the world around us.